This is a video to teach you how to use the screen capture or to capture a video on your Mac, iMac, or MacBook Pro. Let's get going. Well, there are keystrokes you have to have in order to make this happen, and those keystrokes are Command-Shift-5. Again, that's the keystrokes Command-Shift-5. And what does that look like on your keyboard? Well, I know on my keyboard it looks like this, Command-Shift-5. Okay, and you hold all three of these down at exactly the same time, Command-Shift-5. Okay, and once you do that, what you will find is a screen that comes up, and above your bar, you'll see this. And you'll see a number of different things, and let me go through them for you. This is to capture your entire screen as a picture. This is to capture a window that you designate on your screen as a picture. And this is to capture a portion of the screen that you outline yourself as a picture. These two are for video recording, and this one is to capture the entire screen so that everybody can see everything on your screen. And then this is to capture just a portion of your screen and only the portion you want people to see. There is an options button here, and this options button will give you access to record off of a microphone like I'm doing right now, or not record off a microphone. It gives you a number of different options. And then there's a recording option. I have mine set to 5 seconds delay so that I can prepare for a video, but you can have it set to 0 seconds so it records immediately, or you can actually have it set to 10 seconds if you need to, again, prepare a little bit more before you want the screen capture to take place. I hope this helps, and I wish you all the best. Have a great day.